The first kata that you guys are doing is Chunji, meaning heaven and earth form. This is for the belt rank of yellow to orange. When you start out, you're going to fold the left hand on top of right. You'll look to your left. You'll step back with your left foot, straight back doing a little sweep, pivoting to your left 90 degrees, executing a downward block with your left hand. Right hand chambers to the hip. From that position, you're going to aim to your solar plexus, step into a forward balance with your right leg forward, and punch straight to your sternum. Now for the whole first half of this kata, the punching hand is going to fold on top. So you're going to fold the punching hand or right hand on top, looking over your right shoulder. You'll take your right foot, executing a big sweep, turning 180 degrees in the opposite direction, executing a down block with the right hand, 6 inches over the knee, ready hand on the hip. You're going to aim to your solar plexus with the right, step into a forward balance with the left leg forward, and punch. For that position, make sure you go through all 3 ranges of the punch. Look to your left, fold the punching hand on top, do a little sweep straight back, turning 90 degrees to your left into a forward balance, do a down block, left hand on top, 6 inches over the knee, make sure your ready hand stays on your hip like you're elbowing somebody. Aim to your solar plexus, step into a forward balance and punch. Again, the punching hand will fold on top. You're going to do a big sweep with the right foot into a forward balance paddle, turning 180 degrees all the way around. The forward balance with your right leg forward, doing a down block with the right arm, as the left hand chambers to your hip. From there, you aim to your solar plexus. You'll step into a forward balance with your left leg forward, punch and kia. The yell signifies the ending of the first half and the beginning of the second half of the form. Second half, the punching hand will always fold on bottom. So you're going to take your left hand, fold on bottom, looking to your left, step straight into a back balance, 90 degrees, and do a side block. Make sure your feet are at a 90-degree angle and your arm is at a 90-degree angle. Aim to your solar plexus, step into a forward balance and punch. Punching hand will fold on bottom, looking over your right shoulder. You want to bring your feet together. Then you're going to step straight back 180 degrees into a back balance. Execute a right side block. Aim to your solar plexus, step into a forward balance punch. Punching hand will again fold on bottom. Look to your left this time. You just shift, picking the foot up into a back balance, 90 degrees to your left, and do a side block. Aim to the solar plexus, step into a forward balance punch. Punching hand will again fold on bottom. If you can see it in the mirror, that might help. Bring your feet together, step straight back into a back balance, facing the same direction that you started. You'll aim. To finish this kata, you'll have 2 punches coming forward to the solar plexus. And then you'll slide back twice with 2 punches to the sternum, yelling on the last punch. From that position, you'll step up to Junbi. Being that this is a beginner kata, you step up in disgrace because you have lost the fight. Do a formal bow. And now you'll see this kata done at regular speed.